Do you want to add your bank account on your Airbnb? Just do these steps. Kindly open your Airbnb account by opening your Chrome and entering airbnb.com on your search bar. And once you're in, just simply click your profile icon on the top right corner and click the account. Once you clicked in, just scroll down and under the payments and payouts, just click this option. And once you click in, there are two options, which is the payments and the payouts. Just navigate to the payouts section and click set up payouts. Just simply click the add bank account, which is on the middle, and click continue. Select bank account holder do you want to, and click the next. Add your bank account information and just simply do some steps, and you can now add your bank account on your Airbnb.